Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the profit-maximizing quantity is easy. We will solve this demand schedule problem together in 60 seconds. Let's go. First, remember that a firm maximizes its profit at the exact point where marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Since our marginal cost is constant at 15, we must find that revenue. Calculate marginal revenue by finding the change in total revenue for each unit. Multiply price by quantity at each level, then subtract the previous total to find the specific marginal gain. At 3 units, marginal revenue drops to 15. Since this matches marginal cost, 3 units is the perfect quantity. Option C is our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing judgment on signs. Always trust the given data and check your steps.